Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial today we shall be looking at how to upload images into mysql database provided with a mysql table, and we shall be using HTML, CSS and also JavaScript plus PHP to handle the database operations. But in case you're looking forward to a tutorial like this one, to be a good way for you to know how to upload an image into a MySQL database, and let's get right into it. So you can see that I have already my folder called my image upload, and in this folder I have a subfolder for images. I have PHP files, I have a config file, display, and also the main index file, plus also upload.php file that will be handling the form operations, or that will be getting the data from the form. So if you're a beginner and you want to know how this is done, just watch this tutorial until the end. If you need the source code, I'll be leaving the source code behind at the end of this tutorial. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing for more content like this and support my work. So I'll open my index file. You can see that I have a small HTML code. Open HTML and I closed it right here, and in my body section I'll have a title called upload image, and I have a form to handle image upload with a action page called upload.php. Method will be post. Ink type will be multipart form data because of the fact that we want to upload image, so we use this ink type. So you can see that I have this, and later I'll be able to display uploaded images straight from the database. But every time I try to upload an image, it gets saved in the images folder and in the database as well. So with this code, I'll just open my favorite browser, or if you have any browser, you can open it. Just open guest mode, and I'll type localhost slash. I open my folder. You know my folder is my image upload. So if you don't know where that folder is found, I just go straight to htdocs, go to this PC, go to XAMPP, htdocs. So htdocs has all the project folders that you run using our server. But first and foremost, I'll make sure I'm running my virtual server already, my local XAMPP server. In this video I'm using XAMPP. If you're using WAMP, make sure Apache is started, and also start MySQL because I'm interacting with the database. So now they're already starting, and I'll minimize this. I'll come to my htdocs folder to look for this folder, and I called it my image upload project. So I'll just get this name and I run it in my browser. You can see this browser here. I'll type localhost and I also put the folder name of the project, and I'll press enter. So with this code written, I have this front end upload image where I've put an input type here to handle image upload, and a button to submit uploaded image, and this is the button. Type is equal to submit, value submit. Yeah. So after this, I'll just this form handles upload, so the upload is handled by upload.php. So I'll open upload.php. In this upload.php, it has the PHP code to insert the image into the database, and also to put it in the images folder as well. But first we shall connect to the database, and I made a separate file for that, which is config.php, whereby I have my server name as localhost, username root, password null, and the database is upload, image upload. If you want to see the my database structure, I'll open localhost, still localhost. Can even stop there, and I go straight to phpMyAdmin because it handles the database operations. So phpMyAdmin will open, and I will be able to see all the database I have stored within this mysql phpMyAdmin. Meanwhile, as it is opening, you can see that it takes me to the server 127.0.0.1. so all of these are my databases, but for this I made a database called image upload. Image upload has one table called images. You can even see the structure. So you need to create these tables first before you run this code. When I leave the source code at the end of the video, I also leave the mysql code to make these tables. You can see that I have image, so I'll go back to browse. So when I go back to my code here, you can see that the database is called image upload. So this is the connection. If the connection of mysqli of this is successful, then we shall go on, or else it will be an error. So for now here we have to make an if statement. If here the request method is equal to post, and the server is like the request method is already post, we shall just get a target directory which is images. You see this images folder. You can see that my folder structure here, I have one folder called images onto where I will upload or store uploaded images. So the target file will be equal to target direction, which is the images folder, and also get the base name, the file which will be uploaded, and I make it a name. So I will make a variable of upload is either if it's 1 or 0, yeah, a boolean. So I'll get image file type. So I'll just use all these methods, already defined methods under PHP, and I'll get the target file as the first parameter and also the extension. So I'll just check if image size is also a real image, then I'll catch this exception also, and also check if the file already exists in the database or not, or in the images folder, and if also the size of the images, then upload OK will be 0. You get? So I also only allow certain formats like JPG, PNG and JPEG, but the rest I won't allow. So if all so if the upload is okay, I'll say the file is uploaded. But if it's not okay and is equal to 0, yeah, the file will not be uploaded. Okay, so or else I'll just upload everything, and I will insert that uploaded file image into images where I get the image path, and I put the target file. The target file variable for the target file is here up, you see. So else I'll say the file has been uploaded, or else there was an error uploading your file. Yeah, so after this you can be able to check this out. If you need the source code, I'll be leaving it here. So just go here, I'll try to refresh. When I choose a file, I get some images. Let me say the file is here. All these are images, so I'll choose this. When I upload image, say the image with this file name has been successfully uploaded. Now go back. If I go to view uploaded images, you can see that I have all these images. Let me do that one more time. I'll choose file, choose another file. I'll take this upload image has been uploaded. I'll go back and view uploaded image. You can see that even this one has been uploaded. So this is how you can be able to handle image upload with this code, plus also this front end. So for displaying images, I just made a separate file, display.php, where I include the database connection first. I select the images from the database, and also if the result of this query is greater than 0, then I'll just create a div to display the image path, yeah, from this. So this is what will happen in this. So if you need this project structure, you can have it. I'll leave the source code and link in my description for you to have it in case you are a beginner. For more information, follow my YouTube channel for more videos like this, and we shall be getting in touch more and more as time moves on. Thank you so much. If you liked this video, consider leaving a subscribe and liking the video, or even sharing to your friends.